Hello, and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today we are going to design for sublimation for the pumpkin spinner that we have on our website. It's available. We have three sizes to choose from. One is a circle, and we also have a pumpkin and a skull. I've already done the skull, and it has a two-part video of me designing it and then pressing it. So with my measurements on here, and these I got from Canva, and I do use Canva Pro. And also with Silhouette Studio, I'm using Business Edition, but the free version, and it's free to download. You can use it and you can do the same thing here. All right, so with my pumpkin, it's 6 wide by 5 tall. So I'm going to go ahead and make it as close to this as I can. All right. And let's see. So now up here, I have almost 5 wide. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag it till I have 5 wide. Or I can just change it up here. And I want to unlock it because I don't want it bigger than where the actual pumpkin is, which, let's see. So as I said, it's going to be 6 wide, 5 tall. All right. So we have this element right here. And I'm going to put this, which I have already selected to send that one to the back. All right. And all right. And because I grabbed these, they were a little crooked. I'm also going to either write happy fall or give thanks, something like that. But I want to go ahead and make sure that I have this as the correct. So the total of it is 9 inches tall by 8.25. All right. So up here, I'm going to select that. And I am going to put nine tall, and then, oh, I'm sorry, 8.2, 10 wide. All right. So I want to go ahead, I want to center that, and I'm going to go ahead and center that. All right. Okay. And just a little bit bigger. All right. And let me go ahead and find some cute happy fall. All right. Let's go ahead and center that. Now let's come over here and see if I can pick out a cute font. All right. So I think I'm going to make that brown. I may, oops. I may have to do, yeah. Oops. Control Z, that way it doesn't move anything back but that. All right, so now let me go ahead and center that. And then go straight down. All right, so that looks cute. I'm going to go ahead and go with that. Now, I kind of want to put something in here because of the white. Let me see. Nope. Let's see, the only other thing that I could do, go up here and I can select I'm just going to play with this for just a minute just to see if no, I don't like that. Let me go ahead and duplicate this. And then let me see if I can. I group that, and I'm going to see, bring this to the front. All right, so now I grabbed both off of those, and I'm going to go ahead and center another one. Whoops. Just to give it a little bit more dimension. And to do that. Bring front, move that one. Yes. Okay. Whoops. That one to the back. Whoops. Let me go ahead and group those. Whoops. And then, whoop, bring that to the front. All right. So that looks really, really cute. So let me center this and then click that and center that. Okay. So now I'm going to double check my size right here. Whoops. Let me ungroup it real quick. And then I just want to see the pumpkin. It's 5 by 6. That's what I needed. So now that I have that, the size that I needed, I'm just going to double check because 10 wide. So I have those as tall as I need it and as wide as I need it. So I am going to go ahead and print. And we will press this also. So now that I have everything the way that I want it, I'm going to Control P. And you can do this from, if you have a converted one also, you can still do this. I do mine through Sawgrass. And I'm going to go to my Sawgrass Print Manager because it's a little difficult on this side if I do the preferences and to mirror it. So instead of, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't with Sawgrass. So it's just better for me to go to the Print Manager. If I went over here, it would just print it. So I need to go to the Print Manager. So I'm going to come over here and press Print for my Print Manager to come up. All right. All right, now I am going to press print, and I have found if you change your substrate, I got a better saturation than I did last time. So I'm going to go ahead and do it that way. I think before I print this, I'm going to move this white up just a little bit. Group. All right. So I'm going to move this over. Oops. And I'm going to duplicate it. because I just didn't like the way the white looked on it. All right, so now I am going to group these and group that again. And whoops, bring up front. All right, that looks a lot better. All right. And I don't have to group these now. Now I can go back to control print. And I like the way that looks. So now I'm going to go to print, Sawgrass Manager, print, and it's going to come up. And then I will print and I will press in the next video. If you have any questions about this, you can comment and I'll be glad to answer them for you. I will list the link for these to be available on our website. We have 3 different shapes. We have a circle, and then we have the pumpkin that we're doing, and we also have the skull, which I have already done a video for that one. All right. See you on the next video.